continues to celebrate the legacy of the Air Max 95 as the iconic runner is expected to carry its anniversary momentum into 2026. One of the most anticipated returns is the Air Max 95 Olympic, a colorway last seen in 2004 and now rumored to release between January and March 2026, according to Complex reporter Brendan Dunne. The timing aligns with the upcoming Winter Games in Italy, making the revival especially fitting. The Olympic Air Max 95 is known for its clean white base accented by bold hits of red, blue, green, and yellow, inspired by the colors of the Olympic rings. Black details help balance the vibrant overlays, while metallic gold swooshes on the heel reference the prestige of a gold medal finish. Staying true to the original, the pair is expected to feature a big bubble air unit for authentic cushioning. Special packaging and anniversary details may also be included, offering fans a faithful throwback with modern execution.